What if I told you humans built cities 140,000 years ago? Well, scientists just discovered one, sunken beneath the ocean waves. Off the coast of region, marine archaeologists using high-resolution sonar and underwater drones detected a sprawling network of rectangular and circular stone structures at about 120 meters depth. At first glance, these formations looked eerily like streets and foundations, clustered around what appears to be a central plaza. To date the site, researchers collected sediment cores and analyzed coral and shell growth on the stone blocks. Radiometric dating techniques indicate the city was abandoned and swiftly submerged around 140,000 years ago, well before any known advanced human civilization. Paleo-sea level models suggest that during the penultimate glacial period, sea levels were much lower, potentially exposing this settlement as dry land. Archaeologists hypothesize stone dwellings built of cut blocks arranged on a grid. Central gathering areas and possible ritual platforms appear at the heart of the site, hinting at a sophisticated social structure. If humans or a proto-human culture constructed this city 140,000 years ago, it challenges our understanding of prehistoric technology and social organization. Did an unknown group possess advanced stoneworking skills? Or could an archaic hominin species, yet to be identified, have created a thriving settlement? Ongoing excavations aim to recover tools, pottery shards, and microfossils to shed light on the builders. Next steps include deploying a submersible excavation rig to bring up intact blocks, conducting DNA analysis on sediments for traces of human or animal activity, and mapping out the full city layout. Every dive reveals more questions. What triggered the sudden sea level rise? What caused the inhabitants to flee? The secrets lie buried under centuries of ocean silt. What I learned today, our planet hides astonishing relics, even entire cities, beneath the waves. 140,000 years ago, someone called that place home. Like and subscribe for more mind-blowing discoveries.